This has probably been because of me looking at a tablet for too long with my head hunched over. My neck hurts now. And I have no idea how to crack it. Crack. I can't English. So basically, I can't crack my neck. Even if I try, like this part is hurting, and I can't get it to crack. I'm trying to. I can't. I can't do it. Like I can't just. How do I crack my neck? I can't. Like I could do it this way, sure, but that way, no. What?